One of the best and easiest ways to share your files or folders from Google Drive is through link sharing. This method is ideal if you want to share your Google Drive files using another communication app or in a group with friends or colleagues. So, let me show you how to do it. Open the Google Drive app on your phone. Here are the files I have uploaded so far. To share a file, you need to find it and click on the three dots next to it. Then open Manage Access. Now, we need to set up access. Currently, mine is set to restricted, which means only added people can open the link. Let's change that. Tap on Change. Then tap on Restricted. Here, select the other option, Anyone with the link. Keep in mind not to share files or folders containing private information or other sensitive data using this method. Another adjustment you can make is to set whether others can view, comment, or edit the file you are sharing. Tap on Viewer. Select the option you want. I will leave it as Viewer. Tap the link icon in the top right corner again. This will copy the link. Now I will close the Google Drive app. I will open the Telegram app to send the link. Paste the link and send it. This way, the person you sent the link to will have access to the selected file. We hope you found the video clear and useful. For more tips, check out our other tutorials and follow the channel.